The United States of America, often referred to as the USA or America, is a country located primarily in North America. It is composed of 50 states, a federal district, 5 major self-governing territories, and various possessions. With a population of over 331 million people, it is the third most populous country in the world. The capital is Washington, D.C., and the largest city by population is New York City. The USA is known for its diverse culture, strong economy, and significant influence on global affairs. It is a federal republic and a representative democracy, with a constitution that serves as the supreme law of the land. U.S. visitor visas permit individuals to visit the U.S. for short-term stays of up to 6 months. There are 2 main purposes for visiting the U.S., each corresponding to a different type of visitor visa in the B category. The B1 visa is for individuals entering the U.S. to conduct business with a company based in the U.S. The B2 visa is for individuals entering the U.S. for tourism, pleasure, or to visit friends and family. The USA Visitor Visa is a non-immigrant visa for individuals who wish to enter the United States temporarily for tourism, pleasure, business meetings, or visiting friends and family. To qualify, applicants must demonstrate strong ties to their home country and prove they have sufficient funds to cover their expenses while in the U.S. The visa allows for stays of up to 6 months, with the possibility of extension. Applicants typically need to provide a valid passport, proof of financial ability to support themselves, and evidence of intent to return home after their visit. With a B1/B2 visa, you are permitted to visit and travel within the U.S., but you are expressly prohibited from engaging in the following activities: enrolling as a full or part-time student, performing work for which you receive payment, working in press or journalism, participating in any form of employment, serving as a crew member on an aircraft or ship, seeking permanent residence in the U.S.
Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study, and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers: Ace Your Interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now. The application process for U.S. visitor visas follows a similar process to other U.S. non-immigrant visas and is generally straightforward. Here is an overview of the steps involved. Complete Form DS-160. This online form is required for all U.S. visitor visa applications. It includes sections for personal information, background, and the purpose of your visit. After completing the form, you will receive a confirmation page and code, which you should retain for later. Pay the application fee. The fee for U.S. visitor visas is $185, plus any additional visa issuance fees based on your country's relationship with the U.S. Schedule your interview. Applicants aged 14 to 79 must attend an interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate where they are applying. Compile your document file. You need to provide supporting documents to justify why you should be granted a visa. This includes standard required documents for all U.S. visas, as well as specific documents for the B1 or B2 visa. Attend your interview. During the interview, the official will focus on your intent to return to your home country. It's essential to demonstrate that you do not intend to stay in the U.S. permanently or seek unauthorized employment. Following these steps carefully can increase your chances of obtaining a U.S. visitor visa. The processing time for a B1/B2 visa can range from several weeks to several months. If you have a specific date for your planned visit to the U.S., it is advisable to apply as early as possible to ensure sufficient processing time. Visitor visas for the U.S. are typically issued for periods ranging from 1 month to 10 years. However, the maximum stay allowed on a visitor visa is 6 months. It's important to note that during your stay, you are not permitted to work. Therefore, you must demonstrate that you have the financial means to support yourself for the duration of your visit. Requirement for a USA visiting visa. To apply for a visitor visa, B1/B2 to the United States, you will generally need to fulfill the following requirements. Complete Form DS-160. This is the online non-immigrant visa application form. Pay the visa application fee. The fee for a B1/B2 visa is $185. Schedule a visa interview. You will need to attend an interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. Bring required documents to the interview. This may include your passport, photograph, Form DS-160 confirmation page, visa fee payment receipt, and any other supporting documents. Demonstrate strong ties to your home country. You will need to show that you have reasons to return to your home country after your visit to the U.S. Show that you can support yourself financially. You should be able to demonstrate that you have enough funds to cover your expenses during your stay in the U.S. Provide a detailed itinerary of your trip. This includes your planned activities and accommodations in the U.S. Be admissible to the United States. This means you must not have a criminal record or other issues that would make you ineligible for a visa. Meeting these requirements does not guarantee that you will be issued a visa, as the final decision is made by the consular officer during your interview. Voiceover. After submitting your visa application, it's a bit of a waiting game. During this period, it's crucial not to stress. Remember, each application is unique and the processing time varies. If your visa is approved, fantastic. If not, don't lose hope. You can apply again after a period of 6 months. Now that wraps up our guide on the U.S. visitor visa application process. It's important to remember that while the process may seem daunting, with the right preparation and understanding of the requirements, it's definitely achievable. Before we move on, we'd like to remind you to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. Got any questions or thoughts about the visa application process? Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you think this video could help others, do share it. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into some common issues and solutions during the visa application process.